Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. So today I'm going to come to you in this video to show you some new products I just found in Kroger. I was so excited, I just threw the camera on and I just want to show them to you before I put them away, before I forget about them. So this weekend we were thinking about doing some hamburgers and hot dogs, and of course you know what sides go with that, fries. So guess what I found in the store? Cauliflower fries. That's right, they have cauliflower fries, new cauliflower fries, and I'm gonna do this. Oh my god. So the total carbs is 17, the fiber is 2, so it's 15. It's a little high, but it's worth it if you really want some fries, and the sugars are only 2. So the other part of this is you cannot eat this whole bag. This whole bag says a serving size is 4 per container. So it says 8 pieces. Now, if you're like me, you'll do well with the 8 pieces, maybe even 5 pieces, because you're just happy that you can have fries. If you know that you can't, trust yourself, you can't resist from eating more than just the 8, don't do it. Just leave it alone. But there are fries, okay? So those are new. The other thing that I found that is new that I was excited about, they have pasta, spaghetti pasta. See that? With marinara sauce on it. And I thought that was absolutely great. And this is made with zucchini and lentils. And again, it's new. I didn't see this before, so I'm excited to try it. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't give you my opinion on it, but you darn right I will once I try it. The carbs on these, the 22, the fiber is 2, so that's 20, and the sugars on this is 3. Again, a serving size, you have to look at your serving size. It's about 2.5 servings per bag. So 2.5 people this should be able to serve. So it's saying the serving size is about a half cup cooked. Half cup cooked. So, but I'm still excited about that, right? The other thing, it's not new, but an idea I wanted to tell you about, and I was talking to my friend Mike about it the other day when we were kind of kicking around little things that you can eat. So one of the things that I like to do, and when I told him about it, he kind of said, oh, that's like a loaded baked potato, and I never thought of it that way. So I use my cauli tots. If you've never had them before, they're called cauliflower tots. So they're like tater tots, but they're made out of cauliflower. And if you can imagine, because I didn't make it, if you can just imagine what I'm talking about right now. So what I do is I bake these until they're somewhat crispy, usually about 15-20 minutes. I either put them in the toaster oven or in the regular oven. I bake them, I put them on a baking sheet. If you put them in the oven, put them in a baking sheet on a foil pan. I spray a little olive oil on there, or any kind of oil, to make sure that it doesn't stick to the foil. And I bake it for about 15-20 minutes. Then I take them out when they're nice and crispy, and I add sour cream on there, right? I add some shredded cheese, if you like bacon bits or any type of dried meat, pepperoni, sausage, put that on there, and that's it. And he was like, that's like a baked potato. I didn't think about that, but you're right, it's like having a loaded baked potato. So that's kind of one of my go-tos when I just want something different, something fun, but not something that's complicated to do, and still get my fats in there, but still enjoy what I'm eating. So I do that. So the cauliflower tots, some sweet potato, some sour cream, do some bacon bits, some shredded cheese, and that's it right on top, and you just enjoy that. So that's one of my little things that I like to do. So this I think you should know about. It's the mashed cauliflower. This one is a cheddar bacon one, and I like to get the family size because again, we we like to make sure that things last in this house when we make it. We don't usually like just having one meal. Usually like to have a dinner and maybe something for lunch during the week. So the way I would use this is if I have a meat, so if I have my steak, if I have a pork chop, if I have chicken and I just want mashed potatoes instead of cauliflower rice, I do the mashed potatoes. So that would take care of whatever my carb is, and then I still have a vegetable on the side. So whether it's a broccoli, a mixed vegetable, zucchini, or asparagus, something like that, I still have enough vegetable on the side, even though technically the cauliflower mashed potato is a vegetable, but the way we eat it, we're eating it as if it's our carb for that meal. So that's it. So I was just, like I said, so excited that I wanted to come to you and tell you about the products that I found. And again, I found them in Kroger. You find all of the cauliflower frozen products in the vegetable section, where you would find your frozen corn, mixed vegetables, things like that. That's where you would find them. So again, they're in Kroger. And oh, I almost forgot about this one. This one is vegetable pasta, but it's has cheddar cheese sauce on it. So for those of you that want that that meal that you would substitute out your macaroni and cheese, stop eating that pasta and macaroni and cheese and do this. It's gonna be your substitute. Remember, we're trying to eat as normal as possible without making it feel like doom and dread. So if you eat macaroni and cheese with a meal and it's just kind of like, I cannot eat this without macaroni and cheese, try to put this as your substitute. So the carbs in this is 20, fiber in it is 2, so that gives you 18, and then the sugars in this is 2. Again, serving size, you have to follow the serving size. Don't eat the whole bag. If you can't stop yourself and resist from eating what the recommended serving is, don't do it, because you're just setting yourself up for failure. If you can't resist, then don't do it. But by this point, if you've been following me and you've been going through your keto diet or your keto lifestyle, you should be at the point where you somewhat leveled off and you don't really have cravings anymore. So you're at the point where you are able to curb what you eat and kind of come off of those bad cravings and bad eating habits. So again, you would use that on the side of maybe whatever meal you would eat with macaroni and cheese. Or with me, what I might do is I may put some ground beef in this, mix a little ground beef in that, and for me, that's a meal. That's how I would eat it, with the ground beef and the macaroni and cheese, and mix it together and eat it. For me, that's a good meal. For you, you might want to do something else where the macaroni and cheese is more of a side. So you have that option. Okay guys, so again, look for the new items, and every now and then I'll just go in the frozen vegetable sections to see, kind of what's new and what they have in there. Instead of rushing through, I'll just go through the whole section, and oh my, these guys are doing really, really good. Again, the manufacturers are forced to do these because I think they know that the diabetic, the low carb and low sugar revolution is here, and they have to basically make their products to suit us. So I don't want you to feel like you can't find things to eat. If you look for them, you will find them. Just keep looking, keep doing what you're doing. Stay down on your carbs and your sugars. If you've fallen off track and you've had that one bad meal, that one bad dessert, your body is very forgiving. You can have a bad day, start back tomorrow. Just jump right back in and start doing and continue doing what you've been doing. Like I said, your body will forgive. It's forgiving. So don't feel like if you have a bad day that you're just gonna forget about the whole thing. I can't do it. It's not for me. Even if you have a bad week, when I go on vacation, look, I pay all that money and I'm going all inclusive. I eat. Like I said, I'm not perfect, and I'm not trying to tell you that I don't slip or I don't indulge. I do, But there are times when you know you have to know that this is what you have to do. That 1 week is not going to hurt you. For the most part throughout the year, I do fairly well with my lifestyle. But when I do vacation or I do take trips, sometimes I do decide if, you know, this is going to be that trip where I'm going to eat what I want to eat. Or sometimes I do go on trips where it's a business trip and it's just kind of like, okay, I'm here and I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat that, and I'm able to still stick to my lifestyle and not let it phase me. But if you have a bad day, like I said before, don't sweat it. I keep hearing people say, oh, I had this, I had a drink, I had that, I'm out of ketosis. Even if you're in ketosis or you get kicked out of ketosis, that's not the worst thing. Guess what? You're still eating less sugar and less carb. And I told you, even though your body is not in ketosis, if you do less of what you normally do, you'll still be able to maintain and possibly lose weight if you're working out. If you're eating less carbs and less sugar, guess what? It's still going to happen for you. You don't have to be in ketosis for this to work. Ketosis is just the way that your body is doing it on its own, where it's burning the fat and it's already doing it without you giving it the fat. Whereas if you're not in ketosis, your body is still working off of sugar, but because you're giving it less sugar and less carbs, it's able to maintain and handle what you're giving it. So again, don't worry about it. If you had a bad day, if you're having a bad week, if you're going on vacation, go on vacation. If you want to enjoy your vacation, enjoy your vacation. You've worked hard enough in life. You need those breaks. You need to enjoy and do what you do. So again, I'm not perfect. I don't expect you to be perfect. I'm just telling you what we can and can't do. You can't do the bad stuff 365 days. 1 week, 2 weeks is not going to hurt you. Go ahead and live. You have to live life. And so the products are there. If you find the products, if you enjoy them, let me know. And see if you're as excited about them as I am. Have a good day. Keep up the good work. And hopefully I'll see you soon.